mortgage broker drowning in paperwork? Do you feel overwhelmed with administrative tasks which take away most of your time and you are not able to focus on what matters the most, which is growing your business, managing your clients better, and spending time with your family? In that case, outsourcing can be a game-changing solution for you. But most of the times when we talk about outsourcing, there are a lot of doubts and concerns which come into our mind. Today we are going to talk about one such very important concern, data security. We are dealing with financial documents of our clients, and that's why any data breach can lead to financial fraud, identity theft, and can have severe legal repercussions, not to mention the repercussion on the reputation of the firm. That's why it's very important for us to understand the data security mechanisms of the firm where we are deciding to outsource our work. What are the data security protocols in place for the firm? What are the kind of hardware and softwares the company is using? What are the kind of antivirus protection the systems are having? Do employees work on their own systems, or they are being provided systems by the firm which are safe and secure and regularly audited and checked for any concern? Second question, who are these employees who are working for you? How is management employing them? What is the status of their employment? Are they full-time employees, part-time employees, contract employees? Most of the cases where you are dealing with a firm which has full-time employees with proper employment contracts, due diligence in terms of background checks of the employees before they are hired, in that case you can be assured that your data will be safe. The third thing you need to understand is what is the environment in which these employees are working. Are there any possibilities of unauthorized access of the data? Most of the cases, if employees are working in proper corporate office environment with due surveillance mechanisms, good management control, entry and exit records, in that case you can be assured that your data will be dealt with only by authorized people, and you can be safe that your data is not going anywhere. These are few of the questions you should be asking your outsourcing provider. There are more such concerns and we will be talking about them in our subsequent videos. But if you want to know in more details that how you can outsource in a safe and secure manner and still being able to take all the benefits which outsourcing brings with it, which is freeing up your time so you can have better time management, scalability of your business, more flexibility for you, and not to mention the cost savings, then do give us a call and let's discuss it in details. Thanks. Have a good day.